Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. If you are a business owner and you are trying to scale your business, then scaling your business through Facebook would be the best option for you. So today I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook business page in Facebook. Okay, first of all, you need to open a browser and go to Facebook. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. First of all, you have to log in your account. Then here, you can see here, see more. Click on that see more, then go down and you will see a thing called page. Go to pages, click on that, and here you will see an option which is called create new page. Okay, click on that. As for example, you are a pet shop owner, okay, or I am a pet shop owner. I want to open a Facebook business page for my pet shop. So let me write down the page name, Petco. Okay, I want to give the Petco category, pet shop. Yes, pet shop. So in this category, whatever your category, you can easily add it to add here. It can be a clothing shop, it can be any musical shop, anything. Please select the category from here, and you have to write a very small bio for here, like within 100 words, because the smaller the bio, it will be more appealing to the customers. Okay, I'm not writing it now, I'm just giving your information to you guys. Okay, like I will now click on create page. So I don't have any website right now, and I don't want to leak my mobile phone. You can write down your website, and whichever country you're from, you just give your phone number. Here you will give your email address, your location. Please carefully fulfill all the things here. Okay, and then if you are always open, click on always open. If you are selected for a definite amount of time, click here, and you can easily select hours from here. Okay, so I'm just click on always open because I want my pet shop to be open always. So I'll click on now, next. Then I want to create a very nice profile picture for my pet shop, because I think the profile picture is the first thing that people look into. I have yes, this is my profile picture, and you need to, like, yes, the profile picture need to be a very nice profile picture, because everybody can see and be like into it very quickly. And we will now I will add a cover photo also. So my cover photo, this my cover photo, it will be like, okay, I will change it later on. Okay, I have given my cover photo, I given my profile picture, and I will give an action button which is a WhatsApp number. I will give my yes. I will give send message. Okay, I will click on send message, because anybody in the, if you click on the action message, they can easily send me messages. Okay, okay, done. Then is next. I don't want to give my WhatsApp number right now. I don't want to invite right now. I'll do it that later. Then web page notification. Click on that one. Marketing promotional emails about page. If you want to get marketing and promotional emails, then turn it on. Okay, click on done. So as you can see, within a very few minutes, it took like just 4 minutes to create a Facebook business page for your pet shop, or you can do any you can create any page shop. You can create any business page for your business. Okay, so this is all from my side. If you like our video, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do let us in the comment section what kind of problem you are getting from Facebook, or how we can help you get things done. Okay, we will see you in another video. Thank you.